Hi, everyone. This is Mrs. Kim, and welcome to Mrs. Kim's Building Blocks. Today, we're going to have art lessons. Let's have an art lesson about Vincent van Gogh. He is a very famous painter. This is one of his paintings, and it's called The Sunflowers. What do you think about this painting? How does the painting make you feel? As we look at this picture, what can we learn from Vincent van Gogh? Vincent van Gogh teaches us that we don't need to use a lot of colors to create art. In the sunflower, he uses one color a lot. What's that color? Did you say yellow? That's right. He uses different shades of yellow. We can use one color in different ways to make a very pretty picture. He uses a darker yellow in some places. Do you see that? He uses a lighter yellow in other places. Did you notice that too? Look at the three boxes. They're all types of yellow, but they're all a little different. Can you see how they're different between each of these yellows? Very good. Vincent van Gogh teaches us that practice and repeating are important. He drew sunflowers again and again in his different paintings. Look at these pictures. Which one do you like the best? Or do you like all of them? Vincent van Gogh's painting also teaches us about style. His paintings show us that we can draw real things the way that we want and the way that we see them. Please look at the picture of some real sunflowers in a vase. How is Vincent van Gogh's painting of the sunflowers the same as the real sunflowers in the vase? How is it different? Let's look at another picture of real flowers, and then let's look at the painting of those same flowers. What do you think? Which do you like better, or do you like both of them? Let's look at some more real flowers and a painting of the same type of flowers. How are they the same? How are they different? Which one do you like best? How about these real flowers and then the painting of the same type of flowers? How are they the same? And how are they different? What can we learn from Vincent van Gogh? Number one, we can use one color in different ways. Number two, we can practice by drawing the same thing again and again. Number three, we can draw real things in any style we want. Now it's our turn. Do you have your copy of the sunflowers and some crayons, markers, colored pencils, or paint? If you don't, it's okay. Just pause the video, go and get them, and then come back. Mrs. Kim will wait for you. If you don't have the coloring sheet, it's okay too. You can use a piece of paper and you'll do a great job. Now, you can paint along with Mrs. Kim. I'll make my art piece of the sunflowers, and you can do your art piece of the sunflowers. You can also look at Vincent van Gogh's painting, or you can look at real sunflowers that are around you. And remember, if Mrs. Kim is going too fast, just pause the video, and then we can continue together when you're ready. Let's begin. I wonder what color that I'll start with first. I think I'll start with a light yellow and color in some of the flowers. So I'm going to start right here. What color are you choosing for your flowers? I think I'll also draw some other flowers the same yellow right here. Ooh, I like that. How's your painting going too? I'm sure you're doing a great job. I think I'm going to choose another color this time. I think I'll use a little darker yellow this time. You know what? I think this time I'm going to use a light green for one of my flowers. That's a little different from Vincent van Gogh's, but that's okay because this is my painting. And you can use different colors too. I hope you can use the colors that make you happy as you paint. Oh, look at that. Mine looks kind of the same as Vincent van Gogh's, but it's also different, and that's okay. What color should I use now? I don't know. Maybe I'll use the light yellow again. I'm going to use a light yellow right here, near where I use the light green. Do you like that? What do you think about my picture? Let's see. I think I'll use another light yellow flower right here. What do you think about that? How's your painting going? Take your time so that you can do the best job you can. Let's see. I think I want to use a darker green. What colors are you using? I'm going to paint my vase a darker green here. Do you like this darker green that I chose? I like it. Yeah, I like that. Alrighty. I'm going to take a little break here, and you can take a little break and also continue later. I am sure that you are doing a wonderful job. If you want, please contact Mrs. Kim at Mrs. Kim's Building Blocks. If you send me a picture of your painting, I will show that painting on Mrs. Kim's Building Blocks so that I can brag about you. Okay? Okay. You know what? Time is already up. And I had such a great time with you and making beautiful art together. I hope that you can finish your art piece, and I know that you'll do a wonderful job. Before we go today, remember, Mrs. Kim thinks that you are so special, so sweet, so smart, and so artistic. Thank you so much for coming today, and I hope to see you next time at Mrs. Kim's Building Blocks. Bye-bye. I'll miss you and see you soon. Bye-bye.